2600 equal to, so press cosine. First one is 1200, which belongs to what? Apple. Take note. That one belongs to what? Apple. Apple is 1200. But the question asking for what is the cost of coconut? Coconut is Y. So the answer is 700 cedis. Do you love it? Beautiful. Calculator is our savior. Find the values of x and y that satisfy the equations that and that. You get it? You get it? So simple. So let's go. Xy equals constant. Xy equals constant. Always make sure it's arranged in order before you insert your calculator. So AC to clear the screen. Alright, 2. First one is 2 equal to 1 equal to 3 equal to. The first one is fraction. So we can pick fraction key. And it is 1 over 2. You know that? This is 1 over 2. Watch here. It's 1x, which is not written. You know it. So it's 1 over 2. That's the coefficient. So 1, forward arrow, 2. Forward arrow, put it at the center, then press equal sign. It will replace for you. You see that half is the same as 0.5. It will convert to decimal. Don't worry about that. Good. The next one is what? Minus 2. So minus 2 equal to 3. Put 3 there, equal to. I press equal sign. My x is 2. That's my x. Then I go equal sign again. My y is negative 1. I have done. So 2, negative 1. 2, negative 1. That's option C, the correct answer. Okay. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 18. You don't know them. So people you say, let the numbers be x and y respectively, or a and b, or p and q. It's up to you to decide. You know, x and y are popular. Very popular. They are just as Akufo-Addo and Domama. You get it? So the sum of the first number is this, and the second number is this. So the sum of two numbers is 18, equal to 18. So this one becomes equation 1. While their product is negative 63, their product is multiplication, right? Their product is negative 63. Equation what? Equation 2. Simple. What is the sum of the reciprocals of the two numbers? So we'll be interested in this when we get the two numbers. So let's first of all get the two numbers and this simultaneous equation. This method, watch it. This is plus and this multiplication. So here there are 1, 2, 3 terms. Here there's 1 and 2 terms. For that matter, let's use elimination method. So you make one of the variable, substitution method. Make one of the variable the subject, equation 3, substitute in the other, and get it. And continue. So let's see. So you can say making x the subject. That's what you write, the subject from equation 2, and that's easier. So x y equals minus 63. I divide here by y. Here by what? Y. I get my x to be equal to negative 63 over y. You get it? This is all you get. That becomes equation 3. Then say substituting or putting x equals negative 3 over y into equation 1. You can't put it back, so you put it in equation 1. Then you do it. Where you see x, you put this one there. That's what it means. So let's go. So minus 63 over y plus the next term is what? Y equal to 18. At this stage, you can use calculator to solve it, right? Since it's objective, you can use calculator. So let's solve it. Because there's only one variable there. So let's solve it, then you go and put it to save us time. So now, when you go to mode or statistics or any of the method of calculating, solving mathematics with calculator, and you want to do normal calculations, go back to mode and pick your math or general or normal, right? It depends on your calculator. Go back to mode and pick normal or sign, normal calculation. Are you okay? So now we can fill this. So this is what we are solving now. We are solving this one. So let's go. The first one is fraction. So fraction. Minus 63. So minus 63. Forward arrow, it takes me down. Y. There's Y there. I can use it. If the variable doesn't exist or you don't see it in your calculator, you put in X and represent it. Plus Y. So alpha, that gives me Y. Equal sign, alpha calculate. Equal to what? 18. Good. I solve it. I get Y equals -3 and 21. I can use any of them. The examiner did not give any closure. He didn't tell you where Y is or where the numbers are less than this or greater than this or that. He didn't tell you. So either of them is correct. And this non-number base is where we say there's no negative base. So this is a value. Let's go. And they are not human beings. It's a numbers. If they were human beings, you couldn't say that -3 human beings. That's impossible. So these are not human beings. So we can use any of them. So it's substitute. So let me take 21. So substituting Y equals 21 into any of the equations. So maybe in equation 1. So 21 plus Y, I'm using equation 1, must give me 18. Y equals 18 minus what? Minus 21. Y is equal to -3. Have you seen I've gotten the other one? I've gotten that. So if I had used 3, if I had used -3, I would have gotten 21. You can try it yourself and see. So now we are getting the numbers. First number is what? -3. Second number is what? 21. He said, what is the sum? The sum of the reciprocals of the two numbers. Reciprocal means every number is over 1. Are you aware? Yes. So reciprocal means what? -1 over 3. I said the sum plus 1 over 21. Let's confirm that with our calculator. So fraction key, -1, -1, forward arrow 3, forward arrow plus fraction key is what? 1, forward arrow 21. What is the answer? -7 over 2. This is the answer. This is the correct answer. -7 over 2. Are you okay? Yeah, that is it. That's the correct answer. Alright, let's move on.